Hi, property viewers. Welcome to another property tour. Today we are in Green Acres, St. Catherine, Jamaica, and we will be looking at a 4 bedrooms, 4 bathroom house that is on the market for sale. The asking price is 35 million Jamaican dollars. Now, guys, if you're interested in this property, give me a call or you can contact my colleague Nadia Oates. Our contact information will be at the end of this video as well as in the description box. Now guys, if you are interested in accessing royalty-free music, remember to use the link in our description box to sign up with Epidemic Sounds. Now also, remember to like this video, leave us a comment and subscribe to our channel. Now let's take a look at this lovely home.
I do that. You see me, you gonna for me big girl. I do it, you do it. For this level, I'ma let you do it. Me no get problem, open my damn so. Me like the way you roll. You see my heart, yeah. Show me one, girl I want, girl I want, girl I like you like me too.
So property viewers, here's the entrance of the property. We have our gate and you can see that it takes us to an expansive driveway. Come this way with me. You'll see we have green areas here at the front, one to my left and one to my right. We have some mature palm trees on either side as well. Now pause, take a look at the exterior of the home. You can see that it is of sound structure, concrete, steel, block. Those are some of the materials that are in this type of construction. Now come on this side, property viewers. You can see we have additional space for parking to the side of the home. Now the lot offers just above 8,000 square feet of land. And here we can go all the way to the back where we have some fruit trees that you can take a look at. All right. You can even park here where you have some covered parking. And on this side, we have additional green space and you can see that you can walk around the entire property. Now we have some double doors here at the front and now we're going on the inside. Welcome property viewers. So property viewers, we're now on the inside of this home. I want to point out to you that this property is currently occupied. Now we are in one of the spaces that can be used as a living area. Currently it is being used as a sitting area. And you see that it offers ample space for lounging. You can also see that we have a window here. We have some glass panels on our doors, and that allows a lot of light to come inside this space. Now behind this door, we have a storage area. And currently there are some items inside there that I'm not going to show you, but the space is quite good. And what I like about the space here is that it could easily be converted into a powder room. All right, or you can keep it as storage, just fine. Now, just off that entryway, we have here another area that is perfect for lounging. So this is ideal for your living area. And what I absolutely love is the fact that we have this expansive glass show window. It's like a frame of the outdoors. You can see the mountain ahead, offering a beautiful view of the surrounding. And this is perfect as is, or you can convert this to some sliding doors easily for you to access the outdoor. Now this is a large living space. We have high ceilings, good lighting throughout. And again, a lot of the light is coming from the outdoors. We have multiple windows in this space as well. Now, just off this living area is the dining area. And property viewers, once again, we have a lot of square feet to play with here. Ample space for your dining set, for your large gatherings. And what is perfect is that it flows right into the kitchen. Now, in the kitchen, you will find granite countertop, and you can realize that it offers a lot of space for you to prepare some lovely meals inside here. And you can even see that this kitchen is of good size, because we have right here a breakfast area, and we still have ample space to utilize inside this kitchen. Now, property viewers, you can see that the stove goes here, the refrigerator is there. We have some cupboards on the wall, some exposed shelving, so you can utilize this space as is, or you can come on in and make the changes that you would like to make inside here. But this home, very unique, and I do believe that it has the potential to meet your needs. Now, property viewers, if you come this way with me, I'm going to show you some more potential, because this space, it can be closed off. And on this level, you will see the first bedroom in this area. But before we get there, we have this open space here. It could be, what I'm proposing, guys, is that this area around this section of the home could easily be an income earner. So right here, we have what could be a sitting area, and here a kitchenette, and it flows into the first and only bedroom on this level, large bedroom. And here is the full bathroom. We have a walk-in shower, a pedestal sink, and a toilet. So you see where I'm going with this? This is perfect for an income earner. And you can see right here, you have access to the backyard through this door. All right. So now we are heading upstairs to take a look at the bedrooms that are up there. So come this way with me. So here we have our staircase. And what I love is the fact that we have this high ceiling above us, where you can hang a beautiful statement piece of a chandelier. Now guys, upon landing on this level, we have 3 bedrooms, one straight ahead of me, one to my left, and one to my right. We're going to start at my right. Now guys, just take a look at the floor. It's clean. I love that these tiles were properly maintained. It's beautiful. Now we have here a large bedroom, beautiful view here, ample storage to my left where you have your closet, and another window over here that allows a lot of light to come in. Perfect for this setup that is currently here, or you can make this space your own. I also love that we have additional space above the closet. You can enclose that area for additional storage. Now we're going to take a look at the bathroom that is right here to my right. Now, property viewers, you can see spacious bathroom. It has a pedestal sink, an enclosed shower with floor and wall tiles, sliding doors, and around here we have a toilet that is tucked away. We have a window for ease of ventilation. Now guys, what I love about this property is that you can see that it is well cared for. I can tell that a lot of love was throughout this entire home in its earlier days. All right, so here we are in the second bedroom on this level. Large bedroom, two large windows, and we also have our ensuite bathroom. But before we go there, I want you to come on inside. Take note that we have a closet there, high ceilings. What I really enjoy is the cool breeze that flows throughout this home. Now here is the ensuite bathroom. Once again, it offers a lot of space and it even accommodates the laundry area. So once more, we have a vanity, toilet, and a glass enclosure shower with wall tiles. Now we are heading to the primary bedroom suite, and it has a really nice surprise that I'm going to show you. So here we are back in the passage, and here, property viewers, is the primary bedroom. High ceilings, beautiful layout. We have this door here that is allowing so much cool air inside this space. And I love that we have this frame window here as well, and it offers a really lovely view. Now, if you take a look to the left, you'll see the closet and additional storage could be created at the top. Now, property viewers, let me show you the surprise. We have a spacious bedroom, and just off the bedroom, we have a wraparound balcony. Stunning. Lovely views. You can see the community from here, and the balcony, as I said, goes all the way around this side. Perfect for lounging. Sweet escape right here. Let's head back inside and take a look at the primary bedroom ensuite bathroom. So here we are, ensuite bathroom. Once again, beautifully maintained. We have a vanity, a pedestal sink, and I must share with you that the water pressure here is very strong. That's always a plus. And when you come on inside, you'll see these really lovely wall tiles. And the color inside here is so calm and peaceful. And over here we have an additional sink with a vanity. And here we have storage and the toilet. Property viewers, this is a very spacious bathroom. It is functional. It is currently being used, and you can always make your changes if that is something that you would like to do. Now I want us to go downstairs and take a look at the backyard, because around there, as I said earlier, it's well fruited and it is another sweet escape. So let's go. So property viewers, we're going to take a look at the backyard. We can walk at either side. I'm going to walk here. We would have seen this space earlier. I want you to take a look at the exterior, the finish of the home. As I said before, well-maintained property. All right, so here we are at the back of the unit. We have some.
I pick it, I do that. You see me, you gonna for me pick it. I do it, you do it. For this level, I'ma let you do it. Me no get problem, open my damn so. Me like the way you roll. You see my heart, yeah. Girl, I like you, so me want.